Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be wrapping up today with our operator module and also discussing something that we have done a lot of, and I'm going to give a different name. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. One video upon another. Operator. Boom. I thought I was going to get that right. So, as you can see up here, we're going to talk about in place. You've heard me make a big deal about in place. We got return and we have in place. Now I'm going to actually talk about something that you've heard me talk a lot about, incrementing. If you really think about it, that's a version of in place, right? So I have one, then I'm literally keeping this in place and going up by one. So that's how I want you to kind of think about this, because I want to show you this right here. There is a whole selection and section of our operator functions with an I in front of them. So I want to show you this. OP, right? Starting here. And this is for the in place sequences. And I'm going to show you this. So let's do this. We got name, SAM. Thought I was going to do it right. So all right. Oh, yeah. This needs to be. Actually, I'll show you this right now. So now the in place works on mutables, dictionaries, lists, tuples, but it will not work on immutable objects, integers, floats, and strings. So I'm going to show you this right here. So I have name, right? Oh, put this in memory. Sorry, guys. Name. All right. So then I go op.add name. Then I add UEL. Boom. I get just like this. Now, did name change? No. But now if I change name to list name, I have a mutable. So now if I go I add in place, add, then I go name, then list.uel. I remember the first time I saw this. So now I get the same, but now since this is mutable, this did it in place. So again, I also wanted to just show that any changes, so I got name equals SAM, name, increment, UEL, name. So all right, increment in place, another example of in place with our I, leading I inside our operator module. So I remember when I first ran across this, I was just absolutely blown away. But these are all the little things that are sitting out there. These are these wonderful tools. These are those little things that you will constantly add to your toolbox, so you can come back, and when you have a use for it, you will know, and you'll be able to search for it, or you'll make notes about it, or you'll have it saved away, and you'll know how to use it when you see it. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. One more little important thing. I am going to be taking next week off. I've had some things build up that I gotta knock out. So just like everything, it's about balance. So no live stream this week, so I kind of partnered that up, so I don't have to. I can just blow through, get all caught up, pick back up on our live stream at Free Code Camp, and pick up back up with a new series. Haven't quite decided which one we're gonna do, but it'll be awesome, and we'll talk about it, and we'll learn some awesome Python. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Click that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and don't forget to stay tuned. And check out some of these videos you may not have seen before. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.